Buttons are one of the most commonly used elements in any mobile app. They allow users to perform actions such as navigating between screens, submitting forms, saving information, or triggering specific features. In Thunkable, adding a button is simple, especially with the platform's newer AI-powered workflow. Start by opening Thunkable and selecting the project you want to edit. Once your project loads, navigate to the screen where you want the button to appear. Instead of manually searching through a component library, you can use the AI chat to generate the button for you. Simply open the chat panel and describe what you want to add. For example, you can type a prompt such as add a button label get started to the home screen, or create a submit button below the form. After submitting your prompt, the AI will analyze your request and automatically add the button to the screen. Within a few moments, you'll see the new button appear in the app preview. Once the button has been created, you can click on it to make adjustments. For example, you may want to change the text displayed on the button, reposition it on the screen, or modify its appearance. If you're not happy with the initial result, you can also ask the AI to update it by providing another prompt. Buttons are often used as the starting point for app interactions. For example, you might create a button that opens another screen, submits information entered by the user, launches a feature, or retrieves data from a connected source. While the button itself is a visual element, you can later add functionality by asking the AI to create the necessary logic. If your screen already contains other components such as images, labels, or text input fields, you can position the button wherever it makes the most sense for your design. Many apps place action buttons near the bottom of a form or directly beneath important information so users can easily find them. After adding the button, take a moment to preview the screen and make sure it appears where you want it. Testing the layout early can help ensure a smoother user experience as you continue building your app. And that's how you add a button to a screen in Thunkable. Simply open your project, use the AI chat to describe the button you want, review the generated result, and customize it as needed before continuing with your app development.